Reports. Reports are another feature of Nelson MindTap. Simply go down to the tab that says Reports, and this feature will tell you how much time your students are spending in the platform. So for example, here we have Bruce Banner. He's been in for an hour and 19 minutes, but he's only spent 6 minutes on content, and his last login was 2 months ago. So you'd have to question how much he's done if he's been for 6 minutes. If I want to look into that further, I click on his name, so I can look at any student this way, and you will see a comparison of when Bruce has been in the platform as compared to the average of the class. And then you can see each chapter that Bruce has been in as well and how much time. This is a really handy thing to have on parent-teacher night, for example, when a parent is wondering why the student isn't succeeding but seems to be on the computer all the time. It would suggest that perhaps on the computer but not necessarily in their homework. So it's a handy little thing to have. Like everything, the reports can be downloaded as a CSV and you can use them elsewhere or incorporate into a gradebook if you like. So that's reports.